Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. First of all, you have to open your Instagram application and click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Once it's opened, click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. More options will appear. From here, you have to tap on notifications. On notifications, you will see quiet mode. Click on the quiet mode. From here, you will see a toggle to turn on quiet mode on or off. You can turn it on. Once turned on, you will see a start time and end time. It's basically for scheduling. If you want to schedule your quiet mode, then you can set a start time. For example, if I want my quiet mode to start at 11 p.m. and I want to end at 6 a.m. I will select the time and I will also choose the days on which I want my quiet mode to be activated automatically. I will exclude the Mondays, Tuesday and Wednesdays, which basically means my quiet mode will turn on at 11 p.m. and turn off at 6 a.m. only on Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And that's basically how to use quiet mode and how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.